Welcome to my YouTube channel Vinit Sir and Vinit Sharma. Two channels are my there. On these two channels I'll be posting my videos on English grammar and mathematics. So today we are going to learn English grammar, the topic of pronoun. Basically you might have heard also previously about the pronoun, and very much welcome to my Japanese students who are trying to learn English. So let us see first of all what is pronoun. Already there is a video on my channel on noun. So today we are going to learn more about the pronoun. So basically, as the definition says, what is a pronoun? So basically a pronoun will be a word which will be used instead of a noun. Let me take an example of this. Suppose I take an example like Mr. X I have taken, maybe Japanese name could be Yakahama. So Mr. Yakahama is absent. So we will not repeat those names of Yakahama. So instead of Yakahama, we will take he. We are not repeating the same names. So Mr. X is absent because he is ill. So he is a male, so we will be putting he. If he is a female, then we will be putting she. So hope that you are understanding this. Instead of a noun, those words which are repeating. Now let us try and understand. So if you understand all these types, definitely your pronoun things would be much clear in your mind. So let us try and understand about types of pronoun. So first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. Personal means those which are belonging to us. So let us take an example. Definition is this noun will be you, pronoun would be used in place of person or thing. The example could be I, we, you, it. I. We are going to picnic, we are going to school, we are going to college. Now the next type of pronoun would be a reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun, basically the words which we come across in reflexive pronoun may be myself, yourself, and if more than one people is there, ourself, himself. So these words mostly are used in reflexive pronoun. Now third type of pronoun is relative pronoun. In relative pronoun, instead of noun again we will use it, and this particular pronoun will join the sentences. That means two sentences would be joined. Let us see an example of this. So that was the pen which Ram gave me. So which. So this particular word is joining the two sentences. That was the pen. So we are not using again that pen. So that was the pen which Ram gave me. So this is about the relative pronoun. Now the next fourth type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstration means when we give demonstrative, like we are pointing out towards certain thing. So demonstrative pronoun will be pointing out the thing or person for which they stand. Like example could be those are boys. That is a book. So this is a book. Now interrogative pronoun. What will be the interrogative pronoun? Interrogative means itself if you are asking a question. So ask questions. Like example could be who is that boy? Who is that boy? Now the next one is distributive pronoun. What is distributive? Like each, either, neither. That like it will refers to a person or a thing. Now example I will give you. Either you or your friend will go. So either. So that is pointing out towards person, person or thing. So that might be you or it might be your friend. So either you or friend. Now the last two types of pronoun which has been left. So stay till the end of the video. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun means the words which are used for person or thing, but in a general manner. Like if you see some of the people were happy. They could be like Mr. Yakahama, Mr. Ram, Mr. Shyam. So you could write like that, some were happy. Now the next type of pronoun would be a possessive. Possessive means what? This is mine. This house is mine. This thing is mine. So your example could be this house is mine. So mine would be a possessive pronoun. So hope guys you have understood this particular thing. This pronoun, full pronoun definition and pronoun types. So this was the English grammar ka second topic that I have taken of parts of speech. Already I have uploaded a video on noun, the link of which I will give you in the description box of this particular video. So hope you like my videos, and if you like my videos, support my channel, subscribe my channel and share it more and more. Thank you guys for watching my videos.